minute, but I'm back now. I took a month off to work on some things, and what a better month to come back than during December, which is my birth month. Best month ever. Right now I'm in the midst of currently planning my birthday party, which I'm so excited that my birthday actually falls on a Saturday this year, which is December 8th. I'm planning for a sleepover with some girlfriends, and it's gonna be champagne and rosé. These are my favorite things to sip on. But let's get back to today's video. Today's video is gonna be me unboxing my first Yes Oh Yes subscription bag, I guess you would call it. It's actually full-size makeup products that I'm so excited about. So let's get started. I will have a code that I'll put at the bottom of this video that you guys can save some coins in your first Yes Oh Yes bag. So yeah, y'all might want to do that because like I said, these are full-size products, not the sample size. And so far, one of my nieces did it and she showed me the stuff she got and I'm loving it. So now I'm gonna open mine with you guys. This is the bag it came in. No big deal, just your normal shipping bag, I guess. But y'all, there is so much stuff in here. So first, of course, there's a little card in there. So it says everything in here is worth a total of $145. I paid like $17 for it, so not minding that at all. The first thing I'm opening is the Mirabella Brilliant Mineral Highlighter, which is valued at $42. So this is it. I love a good highlighter or bronzer, so yes to that. I like how this goes into like it goes from like a gold, it's like an ombre color. It goes from like a gold to like a, I would say like a rose color gold a little bit. It's pretty cool. The next item I have is Brow Lift by a company called Sourmate. This is valued at $22 by itself. Like I said, I paid $17 for everything I'm showing you guys. I love a good brow lift and eyebrow highlighter underneath my eyebrows, so I will definitely be trying that out. Next we have a liquid highlighter by a company called Beauty Creations. This is valued at $17. It has such a cute name. They call this one Unicorn Tears. How cute. That's how that one looks. Next we have a Deluxe Badger Oval Eyeshadow Brush. This is valued at $19. Love it. Alright, the last but certainly not the least item that I have is by a company called Aesthetica. It is a lip palette kit. They actually call it a lip contour palette kit. This alone is valued at $45. Alright, I'm big on lips, so I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. This is so cute. It has its own little mirror in here. And I guess a little lip design. I'm not going to pull that off right now. Alright, at this point I've tried quite a few makeup subscription companies, and as of now, Yes Oh Yes is winning. I'm going to cancel my other ones. It's no point. There's like no competition right now. They're giving you 5 full size. I think sometimes you get 3 to 5, but for now, well, for this first one, I got 5 things. You're getting 3 to 5 full size things for $17. Can't beat that. Alright guys, I'm out. This was a quick one. I'm going to leave the code down in the bottom so you guys can save some off of your first one. I really hope you guys try it out. Thanks for watching guys, and please remember to like, follow, and subscribe.